going on? My name is Mark. It's my son Caleb and Bodie.
So,
First event for RAF?
Oh yes, sir.
Who you want to see tonight?
Well, mostly everybody, but definitely Kyle Snyder. He actually was a part of our first generation of the Warhawks here in Maryland, so we take a lot of pride in him, and we love rooting for him. And obviously, everybody on the card is amazing, and we just love the sport and just here to support, man.
got it. Got it. You're welcome. Hello. Swipe over. All good. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. Swipe over. All good.
We broke records tonight across the board. #1 ticketed show. Every event we do, it gets better and better. I have an amazing two partners, one to my left, one to my right, and I think our team was just very succinct. And then Kyle Snyder, what a match of the night, and he just performed. Izzy, how did you feel? And Eric, that energy in that was nuts.
Izzy, you go first, because I'm going to take some time on this one.
Yeah, you know, Kyle is just such a legend and a staple in the sport of wrestling. You know, he's truly a legend. He's a wonderful guy, and he's just been phenomenal to work with. You know, I can't rant and rave about him enough off the mat, and how pleasurable it's been to work with him and have him a part of this team. On the mat, that was electric. You know, we brought one of the best wrestlers in the world. And when we were signing Kyle and dealing with Kyle, it was a commitment. And the commitment was for myself, Chad, Eric, to find him the best wrestlers in the world.
That's why there are no rules in the circus. It watches. It waits. And when the time comes,
For example, if they told me like I'm wrestling with or I'm fighting with I don't know, Gage, or they're gonna give you Conor McGregor, I'm gonna forget about Gage and take Conor McGregor. It's same here, so that's why it's a big fight. It's a big wrestling right now, and he beat everybody in RAF. I beat everybody, so we're both the best wrestlers from UFC, and it's gonna be big wrestling. So I'm so excited.